unfortunately, when we get older, a lot of seniors just stop. And sometimes it's as easy as just maybe getting a puzzle or a paintbrush. And all of those things motivate the mind. Exercises, look at the puzzle right here. Mm-hmm. My grandmother loved doing puzzles. I have one of hers in my kitchen, and she made a lot of tacitas, coffee cups, because she loved Cuban coffee. Mm-hmm. So I have that one, and it took her forever to do it. But wow, it just motivated her.
Yeah.
Those things help how?
Yeah, they stimulate the brain basically. So a lot of times we encourage people to learn new skills, like learning a new language. It's never too late to do that. Take classes at your local community college. A lot of those places do have classes just for older people who are not current students, and that's really a great way to stimulate your brain.
And how does strength conditioning also help the mind? I know there are studies as well.
Yeah, so we're not sure the exact mechanism. It probably does have something to do with reducing inflammation, and we know nowadays that inflammation really is a big factor in causing a lot of diseases.
And let's dive in a little bit more into that inflammation and how it affects.
Again, the mechanisms are unclear, but there is just inflammation in the arteries throughout the body, including the brain. And if you can reduce that inflammation, some of it has to do with diet and smoking also, but exercise definitely helps reduce the inflammation throughout the body.
And I know, and we're talking about exercising, we're talking about so many things, but also mood, right? It improves the mood and even maybe sleep habits?
Sure. It's been shown that exercise definitely improves people's moods, especially in people with anxiety and depression. A lot of times they can combat those problems just with exercise without medications. And sleep is also very important. Usually people who exercise, they get better quality sleep.